Hello everyone, here is the Carrie Anderson. Hope you all doing well. In today's video, I'll be talking about top tips to gain muscle with intermittent fasting. So if you like the video related to intermittent fasting in my total health, I would like to request you all please do like, share, subscribe so that I will come up with more and more videos with lots and lots of content. So here we begin. Let's go. The myth of losing muscle through intermittent fasting is persistent, absolutely unjustified. So, recent studies show that intermittent fasting can even be beneficial for muscle growth. In this video, you will learn which processes are responsible for this and how you can use intermittent fasting as a tool to strengthen your muscle. So, intermittent fasting, building muscle mass or losing it. Many athletes believe that increasing muscle mass is only possible if you eat several meals spread throughout the day. Otherwise, so the misconception your body will fall into a catabolic state and your muscle will be weakened due to a lack of nutrients and protein. So, in fact, however, our metabolism has adapted over the course of evolution. So, muscle mass is thus protected even during periods of starvation, whatever it takes. It's true that our bodies break down protein during prolonged fasting and use it for energy production. However, this is not a muscle protein, rather, our bodies process defective proteins, example in the skin or intestinal mucosa. So this recycling of broken cell parts therefore does not pose a threat to our muscle mass. So on the contrary, intermittent fasting can even be a great tool to build muscle mass, providing you combine it with the right training and a balanced diet. So the reason for this is the following. During your fasting period, your body does not only switch from glucose metabolism to fat metabolism, but also creates the best hormonal condition for building muscle. Now, how can you successfully gain muscle mass with intermittent fasting? The one thing is for sure, muscle don't grow from sitting around. Of course, targeted training and a balanced diet are and remain the most important adjusting tools when it comes to gaining muscle. Nevertheless, you can perfectly support your success in muscle building with intermittent fasting. So here are the best tips. The very first one, prefer working out at the end of your fasting period. If you work out towards the end of your fasting period, you will also increase fat burning in your body. Targeted strength training in a fasted state is particularly effective. Also, try other kinds of physical activity in order not to exercise too one sidedly or to overexert yourself. Then it comes to refrain from extremely long periods of fasting. The smaller your eating window, the more difficult it will be to get enough nutrients. So it's best to use fasting in a conscious and sparing way. 16:8, for example, is a good choice. That's because a meal window of 8 hours will leave enough time for adequate nourishment. Then it comes to take good care of your body. In addition to having enough water, the nutrient dense diet is key to healthy muscles. To be specific, this means plenty of vegetables, high quality protein, and healthy fats. If you want to optimally support muscle growth, make sure to include long chain carbohydrate, for example, whole grain pasta or whole grain bread. So, in your meals or intense training days, this will help your muscle recover. On rest days, a low carb diet is a great choice. Also, make sure not to eat too little and give your body enough time to recover. Now, intermittent fasting and a muscle building, this is how it works. Intermittent fasting does not cause your muscles to atrophy. The opposite is true when used in the right way. Regular fasting periods set the course for achieving maximum muscle growth and fat loss with minimal training effort. If you work out towards the end of your fasting period, focus on moderate fasting periods and pay attention to a protein and a nutrient rich diet. You can significantly increase your fitness with intermittent fasting. That's all about the intermittent fasting in this video. I'll definitely come in the next video with my another content. Till then, God bless you. Bye bye, and take care of your health. Bye bye.